thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up brown paper packages. So this is a bi-monthly subscription and it is always so great, so fun to open. I'm a huge fan of bi-monthly subscriptions, so obviously meaning you get it every other month opposed to every single month. So you get some time to enjoy the products in your box before getting another one, and you can save a little bit of money too. So I will link their website down below and all of the information. And this actually comes from Canada, but it does ship to the US. So their pricing will all be in Canadian dollars, just FYI. Before we get to the unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi, hello, my name is Kitty. If you are new here, welcome. I do subscription box unboxings every single day on our channel, so if you're into subscription boxes, I would absolutely love if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. Anyways, let's get back to the box. It's heavy and huge this one, so let me grab my scissors and we'll get started. They always package it so freaking cute. So this is what it looks like. Brown paper package is tied up in string. Oh, I always want to sing that song, but it looks like we have like a little bubble thing on top, right? Oh my god, yes. Too bad my cats are sleeping, they'll like this, but let's get this. Oh, oops. Oh my god, I'm a child. This is so fun. I don't remember the last time I did this. Oh my god, that is great. What a fun little thing to add, and so cute for the June box, or the June/July box. Oh. Would it be a video if I didn't drop something? Good thing I put the cap on. But I did get some like bubble juice. Why? I don't know, that's probably not the right term, bubble juice all over here, but oh my god, there's a little cat sticker. I'm a little ADD right now, sorry guys. But this is like a cat mermaid sticker that was like holding the tissue together. I am keeping this. This is so cute. Love it. But right on top, here is the June-July 2020 pamphlet, and the theme is Here Comes the Sun. And on the inside it talks about everything you receive, and then it also talks about the makers of this box, the Hutch sisters. They're super sweet. And yeah, let's get this brown string untied and get started. I'm so excited. God, those bubbles got me in a good mood. Ooh, let's see if I can show you a sneak peek without dropping everything. But it is totally full of bright, fun colored stuff. Let's start with this. Oh my god, this is the Roundy Beach Throw. And it's blue. I love blue so much. So it looks like there's like some fringe. I'll open it in just a second. This is beautiful, and it looks like it's made in India. It says, take this extra large beach throw to your next outing by water or picnic in the park. Blue and white design inspires calmness and serenity. Can't get out? Use as an accent as part of your home decor. 100% cotton, and it's from a local Canadian distributor, and it is $36. I love this. That's a good idea, since, I mean, a lot of people aren't going out and about. Like, the beaches are open in Florida, but I'm kind of nervous to go. Like, they're so crowded, plus, like, I never went anyways. I like to protect my skin from the sun, but if there's some shaded parts, this will be perfect. So the outer thing is round, and the outer portion is the fringe, and then it's like a blue tie-dye. Oh my god, this is so cute. This would be really useful for like if you do a picnic or something, even if it's in your like backyard. That could be like a fun activity, you know, to do with your kids or whoever. But I love this. I'm probably gonna put it somewhere in my house as like a throw. And then maybe one day I'll leave my house and I can take advantage and bring this with me. But for now, yeah, definitely my house. I love the colors. I love blue. And I think this is perfect to throw in the Here Comes the Sun box, the June-July box. You know what I just thought? I just put that on the ground. I'm like, it's gonna become a cat bed in like 2 seconds. Ooh, there's something in this cute little bag here. Oh, look, there's a little flower. Ooh, it looks like we have some bracelets. Everything is just always like packaged like so well. Like you can tell they put a lot of time and thought into it. And then I just like rip things open because I have no grace whatsoever. Ooh, and it's like a bangle set. I just got a bangle set in a different box recently. I was saying how I love that. And these are all yellow and fun. I don't have any yellow jewelry like this. Okay, so they're all connected. I thought I was gonna drop them. So you could mix and match these or wear them all together. I love how bright and colorful this is. This is perfect for summertime. So let me find the information on this. So the summertime bracelets, they totally are summertime. It says wear some sunshine on your wrist with these buttercup color bangles. Stack together or wear alone. These are $10 and from a Canadian owned distributor. These are so pretty. Like, I think that would look good. I'm like wearing black right now and this would be like a nice pop of color. I'm wearing this like nice dress that I would like normally go out in, but I'm just sitting at home filming. Yay, I love this brand. I received a lotion by them and it was my favorite. I hope it's the same scent. This is by Ines, which is Energy of the Sea. This is an Irish brand and oh my god, I'm so excited. This is a refreshing bath and shower gel. It gently cleanses and hydrates, made with seaweed extracts, vitamins, and minerals. Oh my god, I seriously loved the lotion so much. One of my friends said they really liked it and they asked if they could have it because I have so much stuff. Like usually like that wouldn't be a weird question to ask, but I was like, you can take any other lotion I own, but not that one, sorry. So let's see, please be the same. Oh, there's a safety seal. Oh my god, I can already smell it. It's the same. I'm so happy. You guys, this just like made my day. This stuff smells so good. And I'm not biased because I'm from Ireland or like my ancestors are, but oh my god, I love this brand. So in here it says whether your box contains the bath gel or the body lotion. Ooh, so some of you guys could have gotten the lotion. I'm so glad. I'm almost out of my lotion. I've been like savoring it, so now I'm probably gonna buy the lotion and then I can pair them together. But anyways, you'll understand why this is one of our favorite summer scents. Close your eyes and imagine yourself seaside. This Ireland-based company funds the Irish Whale and Dolphin Group, dedicated to the protection, conservation, and better understanding of whales and dolphins in Irish waters and around the world. And this is $12. I did not even realize that they give back to charity. I'll try and find a link if anyone else is interested besides me. I'm gonna purchase something, I think. But if you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. I'm so happy. Yay, and there's still a lot to go. Ooh, so every single box, I almost said month, but every single box, every other month, they send us something from this brand, Gourmet du Village, and it's always like a premixed thing to make yummy drinks. And this month, it's strawberry shortcake in a mug. Oh my god. I'm so hungry. Like, I didn't sleep well last night. Do you guys ever get hungrier when you don't sleep a lot? But I'm doing intermittent fasting and I still have like 2 hours to go and I'm like dying. Oh no, I only have 1 hour to go. But this just reminded me of food. But this makes 2 mugs, so what is this exactly? This sounds so good. Anything with strawberries, I'm like, yes, please. I think this is actually like a free gift because it says strawberry shortcake. Our gift to you. So every month they include an extra bonus gift, which I think is super sweet. It says, is there any better treat than sweet summer berries? Yes, when they're enveloped in cake. Ready in 1 minute in the microwave. Enjoy with whipped cream, ice cream, or fresh strawberries. Oh my god, so this is food. That's probably why. I just thought instantly alcoholic drink because I don't know. There's another drink mix in here by the brand. So this is a food item. I didn't know they did these like quick mixes for food. That looks so good. So what do you need to do? Oh, it's not even that many calories. So you do half a pouch of the cake mix, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water, and then 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I have all of those things. I'm gonna make this today. Usually I'm missing ingredients for things because until like recently I didn't cook much, but I'm trying to make that like a new hobby and like thing I do, but yes. Oh my god, I'll probably like take a picture of it later. That sounds amazing. But since I was talking about the drink mixes and stuff they include, let's talk about that next. So same brand, Gourmet du Village, and this is lemonade, and it has 3 serving sizes. Oh, so that sounds really good and refreshing right now. So for this one, you add the pouch of lemonade mix to cold water and stir until dissolved. And so yeah, this one's non-alcoholic. A lot of the ones they say you could add stuff in, but I mean, let's get real. Like lemonade's a great vodka mixer. So this is $5 and it says add water, ice cubes, and lemon slices. Wonderful as it is, or add vodka for a grown-up hard lemonade. See, we think alike, me and the Hodge sisters. This is locally owned. This, I'll be having that super soon too, because one of the few things I have in my fridge and freezer is vodka. And then we still have like 3 or more things in here. This box is awesome. This is by Bee by the Sea, natural products, sea buckthorn and honey, natural aloe vera gel. This is such a great idea to include in the summer box. So, as I like to always remind you guys, and you can probably tell by how I look, I think SPF is so important. You should be applying it every day, but sometimes even when you do, you might like miss a teeny spot or like get burnt, or maybe your skin is just a little dry and dehydrated from being in the sun, not even burnt. Aloe is great to soothe that. So this is big too. We get 8 fluid ounces in here, and it says, our lightweight aloe vera gel soothes and refreshes the skin. Get healthy, hydrated skin with the added benefits of sea buckthorn and honey. And it says you can even apply this to your face and body, and it's cruelty-free, mineral oil-free, so that's good. I don't like putting mineral oil on my face, I determined. It's carbamide-free, phthalate-free, petroleum-free, so yeah, it's really basic ingredient list, but that in like a good way. So awesome. This will definitely come in handy. I mean, hopefully I don't get burnt or anything like that, but sometimes it's inevitable. It's always like some weird little spot I miss. That's when it happens to me. So this aloe gel is packed with vitamins and nutrients. It's lightweight, Canadian made, cruelty free, and $16. Next up we have something here in a little bag. Ooh, it looks like there might be a snack and a makeup item. That's like exactly what I want right now. Ooh, 2 snacks. So let's start with the little candies. These look good. So there's like a lemon one and an orange one. These are by Pizzazz. These are juicy jellies. I've never had these before. I love when they include like Canadian candies and treats, so I get to try things from other places. I love that. Like I get some subscription boxes sent to me sometimes that are international treats. I know Canada is like our neighbor, but they do have different stuff there, so that sounds really good. And then we have a lip gloss. Oh, I love lip gloss. That's all I have on today. I'm become like totally converted to like a lip gloss girl. Maybe it's just like the seasons and stuff, I don't know. Oh, and this is by Stray Cat Cosmetics. This is a Canadian owned beauty brand, and I think we've received a beauty product from them in every single box. But this is a really pretty shade. It's called Mango Tango. I like that. So I don't know if I've tried a liquid lipstick from them. I have blush, like a little eye like trio or quad. Oh, I think that in the very first box we might have tried a gloss like a year ago or something, that when the brand first launched. But yeah, I've had a lot of their stuff now, so it smells good, like bakery stuff, buttercream, vanilla, whatever. Oops, I have a little bit of highlighter on my hand, so. Ooh, I think this is super pretty, and I don't think I have a gloss exactly this shade. Let's see, I might just put it on right now. Yeah. I have a little bit of gloss on right now, but it's kind of, you can't even tell the shade at least. Wow, this has a good amount of pigment. It's not sticky, and it layered over another gloss just fine. So yeah, I like this. How I like to use glosses normally is like with a lip liner and then putting a gloss on top, because I feel like that just keeps the color for longer and stuff, but I like it, yay! I'm so glad it's gloss. And where is this? So this is $18, and it says, add some morning summer sky to your smile with this highly pigmented lip gloss. Canadian made and cruelty free. Stray Cat donates to animal charities. Yeah, I love them. And we are not done, you guys. Look at this cute bag. They always have stuff in cute little packaging, and I try and keep it and repurpose it. That's what I do with all my boxes. Let's see what is in here. And then there's orange tissue paper. Everything's so bright and fun. Ooh, it seems like the sunglasses, and it is. So I think sunglasses are super great to include in summer boxes. These are by Ecosi Design. I think we might have received this brand. And they have like some studs on the side. Oh, and look, the side has a design on it as well. It's kind of reflective. I don't know how well you can see that. These are $19, and it says, shade your beautiful eyes in this timeless Jackie O inspired shape. Has just enough sparkle to give the sun a little competition. Canadian owned distributor. Of course, you gotta try them on. Even though I should, let me take that thing in the middle off. Okay, let me use a mirror. I always try to use the viewfinder as a mirror, and it doesn't really work well. Oh, I like these more than I thought I would. At first I was like, I don't know if I want like bedazzled sunglasses, but I kind of really like it. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's like the perfect amount of bedazzling on it. It's not too extreme or like tacky or anything like that. And they're comfortable too, and they fit my big head. So that is great. Oh, I don't think it even messed up my makeup. I mean, obviously I didn't have it on for very long, but sometimes I put sunglasses on, they're like tight around the nose. Those weren't, so it didn't smudge. Hopefully that's how it is with long-term use too. Let's talk about the last item, and it says C'est la vie on it. C'est la vie. By Tickled Pink, and this is such a good bag for like going to the beach or just every day in the summer. And C'est la vie, oh my god, I just like got that song from like the 90s in my head, or was it early 2000s? I don't know. But I like this. On the inside, this is what it looks like. It can fit so much stuff. Let me try and fit that whole throw in there. I'm not even trying to do it nice, but yeah, you, oh my god, totally could fit that in there. You could even put your sunscreen, which you should bring to the beach, and whatever else you need, and it'll fit it. And that was a huge blanket, or throw, whatever they called it, that round towel. But this is so cute, and I like the handles. This makes it seem like it'd be like a beach bag. Like I totally can see myself using this, like maybe realistically be more like when I'm going boating, because like I said, I don't really just go and sit on the beach. I just don't try and tan, so I don't know what else you do when you go to the beach. I like boating because I feel like there's air moving, there's a cover and all of that. I need to do that soon, but yeah, I think this is so cute. I think this might be the favorite bag, like by far the best bag we've received from them. We've received a few in the past. But you guys, I think this box was so good. Oh, I didn't even tell you like the pricing or anything of this. So the C'est la vie tote bag, $22, and it says pack up your essentials in this woven tote. Pronounced C'est la vie in French, it means this is the life. This phrase reminds you to give yourself a break from stress and just simply be, and this is from a local Canadian distributor. Awesome, you guys. This is, I think, by far my favorite box by Brown Paper Packages ever. I think they did such a good job. Well, they always do a really good job curating all the items with the theme. Like, these are everything in this. It's so perfect for summer, June and July. Like, they did such a great job. They always do. I love this company. So if you want to support them or subscribe or get this box again, the link will be down below. I would love to know your thoughts. And, oh man, I'm trying to pick a favorite, but I like everything. I mean, I got the most excited probably about the Ines product because it smells so good. And now I'm gonna be smelling so good. The lip gloss, everything I love. There's not one thing I am unhappy with or don't like. Like sometimes there's things I'm like, just like, oh, you know, but this was so much stuff. And yeah, I'm a happy girl. This video just totally uplifted my mood. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.